Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to change FPS frame per second in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use the default cube to make an animation. I move it. Now I select the cube and then go to first frame in timeline and then go to object properties and we can set the keyframe here. And then go to the last frame. I set it in Y direction to 10 meters and then set the keyframe. And also we can set keyframe to X and Z. So we can go back to first frame and play the preview. We can see that the cube is moving to the Y direction. I stop it here. Now if we want to change FPS, we can go to output properties and then go to frame rate. The default setting is 24 frames per second and we can click it. We can change to other values. For example, we can change to 30 or we can change to 60. So this is how we can change FPS in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.